Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 different methods of how to block spam calls on iPhone. Okay, first off, if you want to block a single call or from a contact, you can open up the phone application. You can tap on the Recents tab here, and right next to the recent calls, you can tap on the information button. This will open up your recent contact or recent callers, and if you scroll down to the bottom and tap on block contact, then tap on block contact, and this will block that caller. Now if you want to unblock it, you can always go to the block list and unblock them. Once they are blocked, you can see there is a block icon. You can always go back in here and unblock them, or you can unblock them from the contacts in your phone app. Method 2 is probably the most effective built-in feature Apple offers to combat random spams. So for this, we need to go into Settings app. So on the home screen, go into Settings app, and we scroll down and tap on Phone or In Apps in here. So in Apps, we go down and tap on Phone. So look for the Phone app. Now we scroll down and tap on. So go down, and in here, tap on call filtering, tap on unknown callers, and you want to set to turn on, so missed calls and voicemail from unknown numbers will be moved to unknown caller list. Another thing that you can do is go to the screen unknown callers, and you want to set it to silence. So calls from unsafe numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and display on the recent list. So you want to tap on this both settings to on, and if this toggle is off, turn it on. What this does is it automatically silences calls from numbers that are not in your contacts, not in your recent outgoing calls, and not Siri suggestions. The call won't ring, it will be sent straight to voicemail, and it will appear in your recent list so you can see who called. This is fantastic for stopping robocalls and random spam. The only downside, you might miss a legitimate call from someone not in your contacts, like a delivery driver or a doctor's office using a different number. So keep that in mind, but for many people, the peace and quiet are worth it. Okay, the method number 3 involves registering your number with an official do not call list. This primarily targets legitimate telemarketers. So you want to open up your Safari web browser and type in do not call.gov, and in here you need to register your number with the call registry. This legally requires most legitimate telemarketing companies to stop calling you after about 30 days. It's great for reducing calls from charities you haven't dealt with before, or companies trying to sell you things. However, and this is important, it will not stop illegal scammers or robocallers, especially those from overseas, because they simply ignore the list. But it's still worth it doing this to cut down on some unwanted calls. Finally, don't forget about your network provider. They often have tools to help. Your mobile carrier, like Verizon, often have their own spam call filtering technologies working in the background. Some might even offer specific apps or add-on services, sometimes free and sometimes for a small fee, that provide enhanced spam identifications and blocking. So it's worth checking out with your network provider to see what kind of spam filtering they have for you to use. And that's it. So hopefully one of these solutions can help you out preventing or help reducing spam calls from annoying you. Thank you for watching.